Hi everybody, it's Tracy. Thank you so much for joining me. I had a super awesome surprise today in the mail and I couldn't wait to share it with you guys. This is our December kit exclusive. And what do I mean by exclusive? Well, when you spend your $99 on your kit this month, not only are you going to get $250 worth of products plus business supplies, you are going to get one of these super awesome caffeinated body creams. And I wanted to share it with you so badly because I really feel like this may be my most favorite exclusive of all time. It's crazy awesome. So first of all, I want to show you how incredibly huge that is. Look how big that is. It's like 6 ounces of glory right here. And it smells so good. I'm going to show you the one that I have open here. If you've ever smelt the mulled wine, you know, that's got the cloves in it and the cinnamon in it and those floating little beautiful gems of orange slices. That's what this smells like. It literally is Christmas in a tube. It's amazing. So I want to show you, it's just a beautiful cream like this, and this is for your entire body. So like I said, it's got caffeine in it, so it's going to tighten your skin, it's going to brighten your skin, and you're going to notice a difference as you use it day to day. You're going to notice your skin tightening, and it, like I said, it smells so good. I just want to like stand under the mistletoe somewhere and just waft my smell all over the world. I just love it. It's so good. So you're going to get one of these in your kit with all those fantastic items in the December kit, like I said. And I haven't even finished because did I even mention that you're getting free skin sticks this month as well? So along with this amazing exclusive, you're going to get free 3 free skin sticks in your kit in December. So what are you waiting for? You need to run. You need to sign up. Go to tracyposh.com/join. All the information is there. I'd also love to talk with you. You can reach me at tracyposh1@yahoo.com and check out some Slap because you need this. It smells so good. You're going to thank me. I am so excited that I got one of these and I'm really happy I got to share it with you guys. So until next time, thank you so much and Merry Christmas. Bye.